Your responses are waiting to cross the river. Hi, and welcome to the Law Simplified, the world's largest independent online law school platform. I'm your instructor, Shaveen Bandadnayaka. On a number of occasions on this very YouTube channel, as well as the different platforms the Law Simplified is disseminated on, I've tried to impress upon young and mature students alike how difficult it might be to distinguish between the facts, the law, and the argument. On most occasions, students tend to fall short, so to speak, of the requirement of an examiner to analyze and, more importantly, apply the law. If you like the type of content that I make on this YouTube channel, do subscribe to the Law Simplified and leave a comment below of what other types of content you would find helpful. If you are a first, second, or third year law student, I would highly recommend enrolling in the comprehensive online law school platform, complete with theory, tutorial, and workshop lessons based on the actual one-on-ones that I've conducted with first-class law students globally. Now, what did I mean when I said at the very beginning of this video that your responses are waiting to cross the river? The biggest hurdle that is encountered by students is how to wield and weave through, so to speak, the facts, the law, the arguments, and the critical analysis, not just in a manner that answers the question, but also impresses the examiner. So the best way to illustrate this is by thinking of it as traversing or crossing a river. What do I mean by this? Think of the law and facts of a scenario as being two passengers on one shore of a river waiting to cross to the other. Now, you have to navigate the currents of the river as you paddle both of them to the other side, which essentially would be the conclusion. So, what's relevant here for you to understand and articulate is that the passengers, the facts and the law, that's what you got to get to the critical analysis, the conclusion. And in order to get to that point, you're going to encounter a lot of issues that are going to be thrown at you by the examiner. Those are the obstacles you face along the way, the fundamental issues, so to speak. And how you tackle those would be by virtue of precedent cases, principles that have been established over time by courts of law that would enable you to not just traverse but leapfrog across problems that you encounter. So remember, the next time that you're presented with a question, don't just simply narrate the law or state the facts as it is, but try and think of them as passengers that you have to get from one shore to the other without burdening them with the obstacles that they'll face along the way. That being said, until the next time that we speak, have fun, stay safe, and as always, obey the law.